Hey everyone, so I've done a bunch of videos on this before, but I just want to show you guys why this is such a great supply on the short firm, and what I qualify as a quality good supply zone. So you can see here that our puts yielded a 92% return that were alerted in real time. So I posted this before the level even tagged, guys. So the plan was look for a bounce from demand up into supply right here, boom. Earlier, I updated here, 4305, 4320 was our short spot, 4305. This was supply, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why this can be qualified as a quality level of supply. So let me clear some things up real quick. Okay. All right, so you can see here, guys, the market was doing this before, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher high, right? And the most recent low in the sequence would have been here. So this became very important support. Okay, so this was important support. You could see, guys, the second that the market broke this with a candle body, we start to really see a change in trend, right? Because, as we form these higher highs, higher lows, once we get that break with strength below previous structure, we get some kind of shift, right? So as a result of that shift, we get supply to form, right? We get valid overhead supply to form. And then this is the exact structure of how I draw it, right? That this is literally the exact structure on how I draw it. 4305 was the trade, guys, playing out far in advance. And you can see here, look at this. We broke this structure with strength. So the idea is that once this low gets broken with strength, so once we start to see this happen, we want to look for supply to short firm, right? Because then we have valid supply. So once we get that previous structure break, we look for supply to short firm, stops above the highs, and then that's how we get our trade. And then check out this, how it played out. It played out perfectly, guys. We saw that change of character, break a structure with candle bodies to the literal tick 4305, traded, rejected as expected, a 32-point sell, yielding us a 92.